This is a lecture I did not intend to include in the course, but since some students asked about this feature, I decided to add it. This course shows you how to create a web view app, which shows your website once someone opens your app. This is a good option for business websites of companies who are working on a native app and want to offer their users something in the meantime, or for bloggers who want to let their readers find them in a fast and easy way on their mobile devices. If you want to monetize your web view app, it can be done, and I will show you how. Before we move on to the technical stuff, please pay attention to what I'm going to say. It is illegal to include AdSense ads in a WebView app, meaning if you wanted to turn a monetized website into a native app, you cannot use your AdSense ads that are on the website and show them on your WebView app. What you're supposed to do is to use the AdMob service for the WebView app. Now, if this ruins your plans, I will give you 5 solutions at the end of this lecture, so keep watching. I just wanted to be clear here and ask you not to try Google. They will detect your AdSense being used on a WebView app very quickly and ban your account for life. AdMob for mobile is like AdSense for websites. Both of these services are owned by Google, and if you want to sign up for an AdMob account, you first must have a Google and AdSense account. So make sure you register to AdSense before trying to sign up with AdMob. Now, if you have a website with AdSense on it, which you want to use in your WebView app, you can rather decide to remove AdSense completely and use AdMob instead. But that might be the least favorite choice for you. Another option I can think of requires a little more work for you, but that's a good solution if you don't want to lose your AdSense traffic. What you could do is simply build another small website which will specifically be used for the WebView app. If you use WordPress, you could do it with multi-site. Then, on that specific website, put all your articles as RSS feeds, since you cannot copy them and create multiple content. Tell the RSS feeds to open in a new window, and as you learned earlier in this course, tell the app to open different domains in a new browser window. And then, when a user clicks on an RSS feed to read an article, it will open in a mobile browser and show your main website with the AdSense ads there, which is legal. So yes, this option is a bit tricky and complicated, but that's Google's rules. If you use a native app, use AdMob. If you use AdSense, it can only be used on web or mobile browsers. The third option is for WordPress users. I found an article that explains how to remove Google AdSense from showing on mobile devices. You can find it in the attachments section of this lecture. Another option is also for WordPress users out here. You could use the HMT plugin zapper. This is a plugin that shuts down specific AdSense plugins once it detects that the website is viewed on mobiles. Check it out on the attachments section as well. And the last option is to simply find a freelancer who would help you tweak this by adding some code on your website which will detect on what platform it is viewed and remove AdSense ads whenever someone is viewing your website on their mobile devices. Those are all of the solutions I could think of. It's up to you to decide what's best for you. I will say it again. Do not try Google. And if you generate a lot of money from your website ads, maybe you should think of creating a dedicated WebView website with only AdMob on it. And after this long intro about mobile ads, let's move on to adding AdMob to your app.